Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rodora Ledesma Montano. I am demonstrating the batting the baby. The module title are Providing Care and Support to Infant and Toddlers. Best time to bat the baby is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Best place, countertop. Water temperature 29.4 degrees Celsius. Provide privacy and respect to the client. Close doors and windows. Put down the curtains and draperies. Turn off the air condition and the electric fan. Never leave the baby unattended to avoid accident. The materials needed, proper hand washing. The materials needed rubber mat, betadine, cotton buds, cotton balls, petroleum jelly, thermometer, alcohol, baby bath soap, baby shampoo, bar soap, grooming accessories, 3 basin, bathtub, dressing trolley, 4 towelettes, baby blanket, towel, and extra clothes and diapers, fill-in beeper, garbage bag, trash can, plastic bag. Now we will proceed to the batting the baby. Proper hand washing. Get the baby on the countertop. Undress the lower extremities. Remove the short trouser and put it in the laundry bin. Check the diaper if soiled. Unfasten the diaper using the cleanest part of the diaper to wipe top down to the bottom. Use your free hand in grasping the ankle and insert the diaper on his buttocks. Assess the genital for any redness or irritation. Get the cotton balls. Assess the redness and for irritation using the betadine and cotton balls. If there is no, get the basin with warm water. Check the water temperature using your wrist or elbow. If the client is girl, get the cotton balls, dip in squeeze, clean one side of the genital from top down to the bottom, the inguinal area including labia down to the anus. Discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Get another cotton balls, dip in squeeze, clean the other side of the genital area, top down to the bottom, the inguinal area including labia, the inguinal area including labia down to the anus. Discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Get another cotton balls and also clean the middle from top down to the bottom, the inguinal area including anus. And discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. If the client is boy, get the cotton balls, dip in squeeze, clean the one side of the scrotum from top down to the bottom, the inguinal area including anus. Discharge the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Get the cotton balls, dip in squeeze, clean the other side of the scrotum from top down to the bottom, the inguinal area including the anus, and discharge the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Get the cotton balls, dip in squeeze a little amount of water over the penis and shaft, clean in a single stroke down to the anus. Discard the cotton balls and repeat until thoroughly clean. Get the cotton buds, dip both ends in water, clean the scrotum in a horizontal manner according to its code and creases. Discard and repeat until the thoroughly clean. Remove the diaper, put it in the plastic, seal it, and put it in the trash can. And then cover the diaper area. Now we are going to temperature taking. Proper hand washing first. Get the digital thermometer from the container. Clean the thermometer from the cleanest dirtiest in a circular motion using a cotton balls with alcohol and discard. Check the thermometer if it is functioning. Dip the thermometer on the petroleum jelly before inserting the rectum to prevent traumatizing of the mucous membrane of the anus. Put the baby in a side-lying position. Insert the thermometer into the anus 0.5 inches deep. Hold the thermometer and wait for the beeping of the thermometer. And then remove the thermometer and slowly put back the baby in a supine position. Clean the thermometer, get the cotton balls and clean the thermometer from the cleanest to dirtiest in a circular motion using a dry cotton balls. And discard. Read the thermometer. If it is 37.5 higher, do a sponge bath. If it is 37.5 lower, proceed bathing. Put back the thermometer on its container. Get the tissue and wipe the excess petroleum jelly on the baby's anus. And now we are going to tapping procedure. Proper hand washing first. Now, undress the lower extremities, undress the upper extremities, widen the armhole and the neck hole. And put it in the laundry bin. Wrap the baby with a blanket to prevent chilling of the baby. Get the basin, get another basin. Check the water temperature using your wrist or elbow. Get the cotton balls, clean the eyes. Dip and squeeze, clean the eyes from upper inner to the outer canthus. Discard. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the eyes from lower inner to the outer canthus and discard. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the other side of the eye from upper inner to the outer canthus and discard. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the inner lower to the outer canthus and discard. Get the cotton buds, dip and squeeze. Get the cotton buds, dip both ends, clean the outer hole of the nose, one side and then the other side, and discard. Clean the cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the upper lip, and discard. And then get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the lower lip, and discard. Get the cotton buds, dip both ends, clean the outer lobe of the ear and the back of the ear, and discard. And repeat to the other side. Get the cotton buds, dip both ends, clean the outer lobe of the ear and the back side, and discard. And now get the towelette, soap and cream, and do the hand kneading fold. Clean the face using figure 3 from forehead down to the cheek and down to the chin. And then the other side, use the back of the hand using figure 3 from forehead down to the cheek and down to the chin. And get a towelette and pat it dry. Now we will proceed to shampooing. Proper hand washing again. Assess the head and the scalp for any sign of redness or irritation. For the cradle cap, use a special shampoo if there is. If there is none, use a regular shampoo for baby. Get it to basin. With warm water, check the water temperature using your wrist or elbow. Get the baby and do the football hold. The head of the baby must be lower than the extremities. Fold the avoid water entering of the ear. Get the towelette and do the blindfold. Wet the baby's hair, including the occiput. Get the shampoo, lather it to your palm, apply it in a gently on the head of the baby in a circular motion using your fingertips. Rinse the baby head thoroughly on the other basin. Pat it dry using the blanket. And remove the blindfold and also remove the cotton balls both sides in the ear. Bring the baby back on the counterpart and the countertop and fold the upper extremities, the upper part of the blanket, and proceed wetting of the baby. Get the basin with warm water. Check the water temperature using your wrist or elbow. Get a towelette, soak and wring, and do the hand and fold. Wet the neck, medial to lateral, chest, abdomen, axilla, forearm, hand, and in between the fingers. And the other side, neck, medial to lateral, axilla, forehead, hand, and in between the fingers. Rinse and wring and do the hand and fold. Wet the lower extremities. Pay attention to the fold and creases. Rinse and wring and do the hand and fold. And rinse the body, rest the back, including the bottom area. Now we're going to soaping. Proper hand washing again. Get the liquid soap. Lather into your palm. Apply it gently to the body in a circular motion. Liquid soap is the best used to promote the bonding between caregiver and the baby. Start from the neck. Get the soap. Start from the neck. Medial to lateral. Chest, abdomen, axilla, forearm, and the hand. And pay attention in between the fingers. And the other side, neck, medial to lateral, axilla, forearm, hand, and pay attention in between the fingers. Soak the lower extremities. Get the soap. Soak the lower extremities. Pay attention to the fold and creases. Soap. Get the soap again and soak the back of the baby and including the bottom area. If you are using a bar soap, get a towelette and do the hand and fold. Scrub the towelette with the bar soap and soak the body in a circular motion. Now we're going to rinsing. Check the water temperature using get the baby and do the cradle hold in a semi-setting position. Check the water temperature in the tub using the wrist or elbow. Hold the baby securely and support the back by the hand. The head of the baby must be higher than the water level to avoid drowning. Rinse the body thoroughly and pay attention to the fold and creases. Rinse the back of the baby turning toward you. If done rinsing, remove the baby in the tub and rub immediately using the towel. And pat it dry. Put on the diaper and apply petroleum jelly. Apply petroleum jelly to the shirt. And then get the, and then remove the towel, put it in the laundry bin. And then put the short 1 foot at a time. Now we're going to, after that, we're going to grooming. Wash your hand first. If you're using a baby powder, turn back from the baby, put it in your palm and apply it in the lower extremities. If you're using cologne, don't put directly on the skin, put on the clothes only. If you are using a lotion, make sure it's hypoallergenic. Check the fingernails if long. If it is long, clip it. Use the comb with fine comb. Put the baby on the baby crib and do aftercare. Then wash your hands.